Good morning. Today I thought I would show you everything that I eat in a day. I don't follow any particular eating style. I eat mostly dairy-free just because it's easier on my stomach. I like to eat very nutrient-dense foods, whole foods. I make a lot of stuff from scratch. Not everything because I was time for that. Let's move on to breakfast. I normally have oats or something like oats. I also make some oat pancakes that I love. Today I think I'm gonna make oatmeal. I have some frozen cherries in the fridge from my last video. If you saw that, I'll link it up here somewhere there. I've made the oatmeal. I typically make my oatmeal with almond milk and water, a mix of both, and I use rolled oats. I don't add any sugar or maple syrup. I've just really gotten used to fruit and the oats being the only sweetness. I typically make them with some kind of frozen fruit sort of mashed in there. Mango is amazing. Cherries are a treat. Also drinking coffee. I'm drinking it black today, but normally I have some almond milk in it. I always start my day with coffee. So yeah, that's what I eat. Normally I have a lemon ginger sort of tonic thing. This is Lydia Millen's recipe. I will add a link in the description box for the blog post where she gives the recipe, but basically it's sort of a lemon ginger concentrate. Here's what it looks like. I make a huge container of it. I think I double the recipe and it lasts me around 2 weeks. I pour in about 1 ounce to 2 ounces of the concentrate, and you have to make sure to shake it first because the ginger likes to settle at the bottom. Then I just add cold water. You can have this with hot water and it's a nice sort of tea, especially if you're not feeling well. I can mix it with honey. I don't know, I'm completely addicted to it and I make it almost religiously every 2 weeks. The makeup is still here. The outfit is gone. I don't like being in real pants or clothes anymore if I don't have to. I'm the kind of person that immediately puts on comfy loungewear the second they get home. So this whole like quarantine situation was like made for me. Today, I'm going to be making a chicken Caesar salad. The first time that I'm making it, I will make everything, all the little components, and then I will put them into containers so I can just grab them for the next few days. That way I don't really have to do a lot except chop up the lettuce and the cucumber. Caesar salad is not the healthiest lunch, okay? I understand this. But if I want to eat something that is quasi-healthy, and I mean quasi because I don't put croutons in it, I sub them in for sweet potatoes, I want to eat something that I really enjoy. So if I'm going to eat something for 5 days in a row, which for me I like to do because it's easier and it involves less cooking and less prep, it needs to be good enough. And for me, I've never found anything that has been as good as Caesar salad.
When I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse, and I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence, 'cause I will try to play my part. My lines memorized in my heart.
I want a snack. If you've never had these, they're so good. Normally, I have dessert. I'm obsessed with Yellow Top. It's an unhealthy, expensive habit. I think that later life is just gonna be awful, and so I'm just gonna eat dessert early. Are we complaining? No, it's fine. Right now I have this, which is the chocolate flavor. It's vegan. Not into the vegan ones as much. What I do with the chocolate one is I break a little bit of dark chocolate and just put it on top and eat it like that, as it makes it taste better. So I came up with a dinner plan. I'm a genius. Because I won't have the fish for the poke bowls while the light is still good and the sun is up and gracing us with its presence. The sky is blue. I'm very happy, can you tell? I'm gonna show you everything except for the fish. Please enjoy the very dark shots later of fish and the completed bowl.
night.